Welcome to Design VAT Spreadsheets YouTube channel. In today's video, we will do a quick demo of the new 2026 Nigeria and new tax calculator. We have upgraded our current employee payroll spreadsheet with a new personal income tax. Click the link above to watch the old template with the former tax. Let's get started. The employee payroll spreadsheet allows you to record and track employee information, leave applications and balances, and generate monthly payroll and payslips. Step 1. Add your employees to the template using the Employee tab on the dashboard. This opens a database where you can store 3 categories of employee data: bio info, work info, compensation details. Ready to bring someone new onto the team? Just hit the Add Employee button and you'll get a form to fill out. Those fields in red? Yeah, those are the ones you absolutely need to complete before you can submit anything. Go ahead and punch in their name, gender, and all that good stuff. The top part of the form is all about their personal info, and the bottom part is where you'll load in their work details. So here's the cool thing about this template. It's got you covered for 2 totally different employee types. You got your permanent employees on one side and your contract workers on the other. The main difference? Permanent staff pays personal income tax, while contract employees get a nice little break from that. When you dive into the report section, you'll notice the template creates 2 separate payroll sheets. One handles your permanent crew and factors in rent relief, pension contributions, and other deductions they qualify for. The other sheet is designed specifically for your contract people. Here's something cool the template can do. It handles leave computations for you. You get to set up 3 different leave categories, and from the back end, you can just tell it how many days employees get for each one. Super straightforward. Now you'll throw in the other money stuff like their bank details, monthly salary, and all that good stuff. Here comes the fun part though. Why? Well, you need to let the template know if your employee is signed up for a pension plan. If you say yes, it'll do the math for you automatically, taking 10% from the employer and 8% from the employee, all based on their basic salary, housing, and transport allowances. Then there's the NHF situation. If you say yes to that, it calculates 2.5% for you. After that, you just pop in the monthly NHIS amount if they've got one. Now here's where things get interesting because this is actually brand new stuff in the latest tax law. You got to enter the annual rent amount. It's a fresh deduction that stepped in to replace what used to be called the Consolidated Relief Allowance back in the day. And boom, you hit enter, your new employee is saved, and they're officially added to the template. Done and dusted.
So I will be taking over from my colleague Fred for the rest of the video. This template has several useful features that we covered in a previous video before the new tax law update. For the full details, click the link on your screen. Today we're focusing on the new pay calculation. The template includes a birthday tracker that generates monthly reports of employee birthdays for team morale. Its leave management system tracks employee days off, dates, and whether time is paid or unpaid, automatically adjusting payroll accordingly. The template also manages employee loans by automatically deducting payments from paychecks until the loan is repaid. Finally, you can track additions and bonuses and sync them directly with payroll.
Alright, let's dive into the payroll section. You've got two different payroll sheets here, one for your permanent crew and another for your contract workers. Getting your report together is super easy. Just pop in the date you want, hit refresh, and boom, everything calculates itself automatically. No manual math required. Let's take a quick peek at the employee section to make sure everything lines up. You'll spot the NHF, pension, NHIS status, and annual rent amount all sitting there nicely. Then when you flip over to the payroll tab, you see all those numbers come to life. Your basic salary, housing allowance, transport costs, they're all there calculated based on their percentages and everything else. Pretty neat, right? Want to double check your work? Compare it with the government release calculator and you'll see the same pay results popping up. It's a great way to make sure you're totally on the money.
Want to get your hands on the employee payroll spreadsheet? Just click the link in our bio and grab yours today.